Hello, Ashley Aylor here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I am going to be going over how and where to apply our illuminators, aka also known in the beauty world, highlights. So it can get a little confusing, but what I'm referring to are highlights, which we call illuminators. And then our highlights are actually what we use as our coverage, which is our 3D foundation. So I am actually not wearing any illuminators at the moment. And for October, for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we are doing every single day featuring a new pink. And today that is Photoshop, which is one of my favorite illuminators. So I don't have every single illuminator on hand, but I do have a lot. And what I'm going to do is feature some of my favorites. I'm also going to be showing you our perfume illuminators. So these are scented illuminators. And I don't know about you, but I get headaches with strong scents. And these are just enough to still smell good, feel like you smell great, but they don't overpower you and give you a headache. So I am going to feature what they look like when they're brand new. So this is number 4, and they're in these little tins and just slides right out. And I waited to do this for the video, that way I could show you. And then it goes, whoops, let me grab this compact. It goes right in. So let me show you. Right here, I'm going to just slide number 4 right in here. And you can actually click the link below to see the description of every single scent. I would say number 1 is my favorite. It has hints of vanilla in it and some other amazing scents to it. And this one is number 2. It also smells amazing. They truly all smell really good, and they really do match their description well. It's very like fresh. And number 1 is kind of on the sweet side. I like a sweet and fresh mixture. So I just want to do some swatches and also show you guys. So our powders are going to give you more bling. The creams are going to be a little bit more subtle, a little less blingy. There's really no rules. When you're applying an illuminator, you can really apply it wherever you want to just bring out that extra shine or bring life to your face, if you will. And so what I'm going to first do is apply our Photoshop for today, because that's our color for breast cancer awareness. And so I like to use the Best Blend Forever brush for this. And this one right here is Photoshop. It's a gorgeous color, and I'm going to do some swatches as well. So I just pick some up and I would apply it on my face. I'm not sure. This camera is not going to do it justice, I will tell you that, in comparison to what it looks like in real life. But you would apply it right here on the cheekbone, which gives you that beautiful shimmer. You can even go down the bridge of your nose. You can even go on your brow bone right here and above it, up here as well. It's just wherever you're wanting to add a little sparkle, a little glisten. And like I said, this is known as a highlighter in the beauty space. We just call it an illuminator, but it serves the same purpose. You can even go right here on your Cupid's bow. And one thing I really love to do too with our cream illuminators is I love to, and you can actually see where I've done that right here. This one is, I believe, rose gold. It is one of our creams. Yes, it's rose gold. I like to put it on my lips to kind of add more shimmer and sparkle to my lip color. Right now today I'm wearing Hollywood. It's already pretty sparkly, as you can see. But let's go in with Pearl. And that's a little trick. Contour out your lips, put some illuminator in the center, and it makes them look fuller, more like they have more volume, more plump, and it just adds a little sparkle to them. You can even go all over your lips if you would like. It's really like, there are no rules to where you apply this stuff. I can even take it and apply it up here on my brow bone. I'm using Pearl. Can even do that. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys some swatches and show you the difference. All right, so first let's try to do Pearl right here. This one. Is it even showing up? Also, click the link below to join my VIP group, because I do have some amazing photos, or message me for a personalized color match. I have some awesome photos of all of these being featured. Next, I'm going to feature our rose gold. Real pretty. Next, I am going to feature, let's see here, number 1. It's the scented one, and you can actually take this on your collarbone and go like this. You can, and see where it's adding a little glisten, a little sparkle. You can put it here where you would normally apply makeup. But the cool thing is, or not makeup, perfume. The cool thing is This is an illuminator, so even if you want to wear it on your face and just kind of dab it on there, you can. So here is number 1. Super pretty. It's got that golden, just creamy, real pretty shimmer. Here is number 2. I'm going to apply it right here. Also very pretty. Here is number 3. I'm going to apply right here. Can't see that one as good. Yeah, number 3 right here. All right, there we go. Real beautiful. And then number 4. Let's see, where do I want to play this one? Maybe right here. I'm having a hard time seeing it. But as I said, if you join my VIP group, there are a ton of pictures displaying all of these. But now let's get into some of our powder illuminators. This one is Starlit. Okay, so I'm just going to do a swatch right here on my arm. I'm just going to do all of them real quick, and then I'll tell you which is which, because I think that's going to be a little faster and more effective for showing you the different colors. So I'm in my bedroom because I'm actually waiting for a vanity to get here. And I'll have my full setup, so things are a little different. Okay, so this one, whoop, let's see here. And I can take a picture of this to show you guys. This is Starlit. Not showing up. Photoshop. The next one is Glamazing. It's very subtle. And then Goldie. And I'm going to show you in the actual compact because it didn't show up very good on my arm. So we've got Starlit, Photoshop, Glamazing, Goldie, Rose Gold, which is a cream, Pearl, which is another cream. And then we have all of these as well, which is the scented illuminators, perfumes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I mean, go to the website, you can see all of the different descriptions, describes them quite well. We have a really amazing return policy too. So if you get something and you don't like it, you can simply send it back, no questions asked, swap it out and trade it for something that you love. So that goes with all of our colors, all of our perfume illuminators, anything. And then our brushes are actually backed by a 1-year warranty. So, I mean, where do you know where you can buy a brush and they're dual-ended? So it's more bang for your buck, saving more space, and it's easier to use and navigate, and they're backed by your warranty. So if something happens within a year, you lose it, or I'm not sure if you lose it, if that, it would be okay, but as long as you have it, I guess, to show that it's broken or whatever, you can get it swapped out for a brand new one. I mean, you can't beat that. That's amazing. So this is the best blend forever. I like to take my illuminator on here. Today I'm wearing Photoshop. It's one of my favorites. Breast cancer awareness vibes going on. All this pink shirt. And so yeah, that is how you apply the illuminators. That's how easy it is. There's no rules. And if you have questions or you want a personalized color match, be sure to click the link below or hop in my messenger or DMs. And I would love to get you color matched and help you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you liked this video and found value in it, and also comment below what your favorite illuminator is that I just featured today. All right, bye you guys.